Hello everyone, in this video we will be learning about OBS. Now I'll be going over the very basic function of OBS, like how to record your screen and how you can also record your camera to maybe show some tutorials, record some tutorials, etc. Now the first step is to just type in OBS on Google and search it. Now on the very first link you will be greeted with this menu right here, this website. OBS has option for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, all three of them. I'm using Mac, but the interface and the way this app function is same all across all of the operating systems right here. Now if I open up OBS, this is your screen right here. This will be your screen when you will be opening the software for the very first time. Now before making you aware about the menus and how to record your screen, let me just show you a menu right here which is under OBS Studio in preferences to make sure that all the settings you have chosen are correct. First, let's go into the output settings. Now in the encoder preset, it will be by default set to very fast, which is just medium CPU usage, standard quality. Now this option can give you some problems. You will be not getting the highest quality. Also, you might face some problem while capturing your display and your camera both. So just set this to fast, which is high CPU and high quality. It will definitely use more of your CPU, but it will push out the highest possible quality. Okay, and in the recording format, make sure it is selected as MKV. Moving on, in the video tab right here, make sure the resolution is set to maximum, whatever your computer or laptop supports. That's it. Just hit apply and OK and exit out of this window. Now there are 5 tabs over here: scenes, sources, audio mixer, scene transition, and controls. Let me first introduce to you the control section right here. Now if you're recording a tutorial and not live streaming anything, you will have to get familiar with this button which says start recording, and just leave everything aside, because this virtual camera thing, studio mode and start streaming is all for the people who do live streams through OBS. Right now in this tutorial you will be just learning about how you can record your screen. So before hitting start record, this is the box where you will be able to see what all you will be recording. Right now it is blank because I have not selected any sources right here. Now what is a source? In source we can add different sources of input so that we get the desired output from it. For example, if I just click on display capture, if I want to record my display over here, I'll just hit display capture and name it as something like display, or you can keep it to default, that doesn't really matter, it's just for your convenience. And you will just hit OK here and make sure you select the highest resolution here, and show cursor should be ticked by default. We'll leave it at that and hit OK. This is the screen we will be recording. So if we move around this, you can see it is actually recording the screen. So if I add another thing here, let's add something like the camera source right here. You will need to select the video capture device. Now if you hit there and just hit OK, this will show you your camera, and you need to select the camera source that you want. If you have an external camera, it will be presented over here, and if you want to record it through your default laptop camera, it will be also shown here. So I'll just go with the default for now and hit OK. Now you can resize this window and make it as per your liking. For example, I'll just place it right over here, to just demonstrate how you can record a tutorial out of this. Now the next step is to just hit start record. Now before hitting start record, make sure the audio levels are correct from the audio mixer tab. Also, if you want to change the audio source, just hit the three dots right here and go to properties, and under the device you will get the options for various microphone options. Right now I'm recording through an external microphone, so I'll just hit that. Actually maybe not, because it will interfere with my Audacity software right here, which I'm actually using to record my screen. So I'll just leave it to default right here and hit OK. And if I do the start recording thing right here, it will start to record. Now you can see it has begun the recording. In the recording section right over here, it is showing you the CPU usage, the FPS that it is recording your screen at, and things like that. Now you can exit out of this window, open a folder or two, and see if it's working fine. I'll just hit stop recording, and that is how you record your screen through OBS. Hope you liked the video. Do consider subscribing my channel.